Guys, in this video we're going to unbox and review the HBX Devastator. Alright, let's get it cracked open. So, you get car, radio, charger and instructions. The car itself, it's a 4-wheel drive mini rock crawler. It's got 4-wheel steering, so you've got a servo in the front and another one in the rear. So let's get it all charged up and we'll demonstrate how it all works. Like and subscribe. By the way, it's a Euro plug, so you may need an adapter. To charge it up, you just plug it into there. The little red light will turn to green when it's done. The only thing that's not included are 3 AA batteries. Alright, so it's all charged up. I've built a little test track. Let's go. So, radio on first, then car on. And we're good to go. So normal steering mode is front wheel steer. Hit the button, 4-wheel steer, button again, crab steer, and lastly, rear steer. Alright, here we go. Subscribe. How many, Steve?
Not a lot by the looks of it, is it?
Alright, hold on. Tracks fell apart. You know what you gotta do. Alright, hill climb test, and this is actually pretty steep. Oh, look at that, straight up. What's happening, Steb?
Nothing now. Steering it, mate.
Alright, so far, what I like about it. First of all, the 4-wheel steering. I mean, that's just epic. I love the size of it. It's just perfect for some indoor crawling, especially in the winter coming up now. You can go really slow and really controlled. You get about a 30-minute run time. It charges up in roughly around an hour. And all the parts are available online from places like GearBest and eBay. So, if you ever do bust it, you can get the spare parts. Now, what I don't like about it is the on-off switch is a little bit buried in there and you can't really reach it without taking the body off, or you can put something down there to flick the switch. The other thing, it's got a built-in battery and it gets a long run time. You get at least 30-minute run time if you've got it like non-stop action. If you're just crawling about doing a little bit here and there, you're going to get over an hour. So it's not really that much of a negative, but it would have been nice if you could swap the battery. Now you can replace the battery, but you'll have to get your screwdriver out. Check it out, guys. 4-wheel drive. It's got proper little mini drive shafts. It's got proper little 4-link suspension like a real rock crawler. And you actually get quite a lot of suspension travel. And there's a lot of metal parts on this. It is actually pretty well put together. But all in all, a great little toy. So size-wise, we're looking at around about 8 inches long, 5 inches wide, and 4 inches tall. The tyres are actually pretty grippy. And they even come with some genuine proper beadlock wheels. Oh, and he makes it up. Oh, coming across the sofa. A bit of suspension cross axle on the go. Onto a chopping board. Oh, and it makes it. Laptop. TV remote. Computer. Microphone. Keyboard. No. Guys, look what just turned up in the post. FPV camera, so you know what we're going to do soon, didn't you? So overall, guys, great toy for the winter. Great little bit of fun indoors, especially if you get a couple of mates together and have a little blast. So, guys, let me know in the comments what you want me to do with this. We're going to take it outdoors. We're going to do some more off-roading with these. Have a little bit more fun. But for now, guys, that's it for this video. I'm going to put a link down below where you can get this product from. So if you like this video, guys, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. See you soon. Bye.